This man will about estate, he will about Diego. Just nego the compound, no to compound this way Sarambara. And this compound, there is a multiple building inside this compound which makes this place an estate, because there is multiple building. You can drive through now watching just how we are driving through the compound, going to the back, and there is multiple buildings inside this compound. And this man is the owner, CEO of Ahodianem Football Club in Abiriba there. He practices Akuruno. This man doesn't joke with his people. He grown player and he helps a lot of young people discover their talent. Hello guys, everybody located na Ahodianем's residence, which is Faith Arena. It's popularly known in Abiriba as Faith Arena, and also the owner is popularly called Chief Roko in Abiriba here. So when you are anywhere you are in Abiriba and hear Chief Roko, so it's just very, clean, and like the name is popular. So this is the residence, this is the compound. He's the man in charge. He's the owner of Ahodianem Football Club in Abiriba here. A very strong and competent football club that even beat the state club self. So the man is doing amazing work, and this is paradise. This is his home, man. We are still coming back to tour everywhere in details. We are just show you guys the, just like the summary. So this is Chief Roko's residence in Abiriba, and the house is amazing. The man is doing a lot for the people of Abiriba. So I go through houses. This is what they call them small London, guys. So this building now stand out here, and then we are going to have a tour. If I now we are still in Abiriba, and today is going to be different. You know what you do? Just follow this video, follow us, subscribe, because what we are going to show people is amazing. I tell you, more than amazing, because if you come to Abiriba, you cannot off your camera, because house after house, house after house, you'll be thinking you are somewhere in a Lekki or GRA on any GRA in any city, sha. So that's how Abiriba looks like, and God bless them enough. We are still in the beauty of Abiriba, and this is one of it. Just look at building. Just look at how clean, look at how beautiful, look at how massive, look at how unique it is. I just don't want to go from Abiriba again, because what I'm saying just scatter my head. When we talk about building, just talk about Abiriba, man. The owner of this building is engineer Nwoke Kalu. He's based in abroad. He's not in Nigeria, but look at the kind of building he put up. And one amazing thing about Abiriba people is that they will build and furnish it. They will put everything and pack inside. The way you're looking at this building, they say that everything is already equipped inside. Anything that will enable life, will make life easy, is already inside. Starting from TV, fridge, decoration, everything is already equipped in this particular building. And the owner is not around. And one thing what they always do is that when they finish building, they will put somebody there to be taking care of the place, making sure that everywhere looks neat. And they are paying those people. That is the beauty of Abiriba, because they were taught do this, by their parents. They taught them how to follow the footsteps of their father, because their father did it. That is why this man put up this massive building. Just nego the tie. Just nego the tie. Nego the building, man. Nego the door, foreign door. Why wouldn't you love Abiriba? Why would you love Akurun of these people? They are good in it, and we just have to commend them for that. Look at the first building he built. He built this one before he later built this one. Just watch you go do now. Just jiranyagi nenuna ofuma. Tell me one thing you notice about this particular building. The last time we came to Abiriba, we wanted to show you guys this house, but we couldn't get to this particular location. And today we are back just to show you guys this particular building. Just negodo now. It's still under construction, but there's one unique thing about this building. When you talk about the style is top notch. And when you talk about the design, like the beauty of this particular house,
house is too much. It's too much. This building is still under construction, but it's standing out among other buildings. In Karusigo self, Kwabazeni self, it looks better than them, and still under construction. What happens when they finish the building and finally pack inside? When they finish the building, how will it look? When they finish this building, here will look like paradise. Trust me, when you come to this building, it will look like paradise, because you know how they, Abiriba people, how they take care of the compound, make everywhere look clean, beautiful, greenish. And when you enter this building, when they finish, trust me, you will not recognize this particular building. The owner is doing well. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my brother.
All right. So, okay, why not today?
Okay. About my elder's brother's house, compound.
Okay.
Here is Obo, Amogudu. This Amogudu, Obo in Abiriba.
Okay.
So this very place is Obo.
Go around. Okay, this is Obo.
Obo.
Okay, Namogudu. So, but in Wiki Kotula Fagi, so that our audience will know who is talking.
Okay. Ahambo Omuka, Chief Omuka Okako, the lion.
Okay.
I'm from the same Amogudu.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Can you just give us a tour of this building? Because if I remember the
gates.
Just for gates.
Just for gates.
So gates. I thought can not check gate.
Yeah.
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 They go to route gate so that I won't have picture. I don't know here or two gates will bribe and buy in the Abiriba. It is when I design a gate na the.
All right. Okay.
So this is a beautiful house.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful.
Yeah.
Very, very beautiful. Okay, no behind car.
With security.
Okay, security house.
Yeah.
Okay.
And here is the main building.
Okay.
This is the main building.
So this is one story building, okay?
Yeah.
How many rooms?
About up to seven. Okay, up. It should be around 12, if I'm not mistaken, on the whole.
Wow, this is massive. 12.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken.
And it has underground parking here.
Yeah, that is. When motor comes, just the gate will open by itself.
Oh, automatic gate.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow. So you guys are using solar here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Even the solar, you can hear the sound.
Okay, yeah.
You can hear the sound.
Is working.
Yeah, you can hear the sound.
Yeah. Oh, this is massive. The house is beautiful. So all this water tank alone is for the whole building.
Yeah, even to that conference hall down there.
Okay. Okay. Wow. So, and the owner of this building, does he live in Nigeria?
No, in America, a doctor, Dr. Mba Oko Hakalo.
Dr. Mba Oko Hakalo.
Yeah.
Wow.
He live in America, Atlanta.
Okay.
America, yeah.
So what motivated him? You know him, why did he build this kind of building with massive rooms in this village? Upon say other battle not like that, you know, but no, like. So why? I waiting. Can you feel the reason?
Anyway, that is his test.
Okay.
That is his test.
Okay.
Yeah, like when you come here in the night at night, when you look at from the beginning of the gate fence.
Okay.
Even people say when they come, they say, "Yeah, this is like overseas."
Yeah.
Because it looks differently.
Yeah.
From all this. So that is his test.
So he brought his overseas kinds of style to his hometown.
Absolutely.
So what all those things you don't enjoy. Because Corona free. Corona free. So all on a enjoy no bodo Igbo on obuneta na village, yeah. So that anytime about a village
you feel quite like
you feel them even more comfortable.
Exactly.
Because when you find a chore anywhere again.
Yeah.
This is one story building, but so everything had to go polished.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. This is massive. And here one thing, another thing in the Abiriba name, no go do compound. They love compound. They go to compound, tear flower near. the middle. On Mamma Nanya, Ibatago compound, the full compound or Debube. So, Nego the pillar. Oh, Namaka. I'm happy to be here today, and I'm happy I'm with opportunity to this building. Because I can't forget about once. I was just admiring from outside.
You see?
But there's nothing I can do to enter inside. But today I'm privileged to be here.
Thank God.
Abiriba Maka. Can you come Biko?
Nka obu.
Ka ba go nime.
Obu ibara no ezu ike adịkwa na aṅụrụtụ ya bụ ife.
Okay. Eba no ezu ike. Ịma na ndị Abiriba, they don't really habụrụ ndị na-arụ obu la ha na-arụ nnukwu ụlọ ha na-arụ obu. Obu abụrụ ha their culture like that. I can put it that way. So ndị Anambra ndị harụsị ụlọ ha na-arụ ụlọ ha na-arụ obu. Ha na-spend this big arụ obu.
Yes. I want to hear me right from time, but trouble everybody they met.
Okay.
But time in the one you chon is rule na is rule now. Or like a gas a big compound.
Yeah.
Or let my boy you low or like when he would do fair day la.
Yeah.
So they meant if you when bubble air condition day you feel like you must have to fresh air.
Yeah.
Abiriba duaya. Like a pasiala no deba church.
Yes.
Yeah, upper liar.
Okay. Inside.
Okay. So a lot of aqua.
Those everywhere, may or dimma.
Exactly.
THM my fan, everything. Because I don't if I back
and toilets, I guess my chopane ega and you mamma.
Yeah. But everybody call back all.
Yeah, you know, Ebra. It was safe by Bada. I mean.
Yeah. Wow. Everybody is beautiful. Oh my God. And the cow to say moon or not the clean. Because nego no know to we na the very neat nego go the tie behind Kabikon or Mabok if I think like this.
On the screaming or screaming. Yeah.
Or screaming camera.
Yeah, about ties.
Wow. It's beautiful, man. I love this kind of floor. So there's no dirt on it.
Yeah,
How are you guys doing it?
Yeah.
Nego do to everywhere you went like very clean, neat. All the car they made to the wall now. All the car move baby. All the car come at self. No, not self.
Chuku.
Because of human being the mayor.
Yes, if we hold to other, it won't clean any something dirty.
Yeah.
You come and remove it. We will sweep almost at least 2 in a week.
Twice in a week.
Yeah.
Wow. So another thing I want to ask is that if me have been Anambra here, I mean Abiriba here, the Otonya roller Rosakita now. Afubem when Rosaro do na Ross swimming pool. Not that swimming pool.
Yeah. Abu and one day I'm not learn. If I'm saying so, it depends on choice.
Yeah.
Like you or show you know the swimming pool. Well, no, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Everybody that like and we put if a question like guy and bubble.
So again.
About conference hall.
Okay, conference hall. Conference hall, a private home.
Yeah, I remember they may be a meeting.
Yeah.
Like any ceremony.
Yeah.
Like about this last December, the wife never made her own retirement Thanksgiving.
Okay, Eba.
Yeah, inside this thing.
Okay.
You see, only that that my brother Abraa. Said that it's well booked with air condition. I'm telling you.
Wow.
So this is the conference hall. From there, you see gym house.
All right.
Gym house.
Let's just go down there.
You see it.
Yeah. So it also has gym house. Oh, this never have gym.
Yeah.
Is it already equipped?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, in our walk room out. Wow.
This is gym house.
Yeah. Gym house. So does it have underground?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. So this is
in case of visitors.
Yeah. This
they make use of this place.
Okay.
Down there is the kitchen. There were kitchen.
Wow. I love this type of. This one is another massive building on its own.
Yeah.
I swear, another massive building. Just I can say that this is one-story building. When you are here, it's one-story building. When you are there, it's one-story building. Oh, no, when you are there, it's like 2 or so. I don't know. But the style is massive. It's cool. It's cool. I love it. Wow. Beautiful. See designs. Not only Abiriba can now design house designs. If you soon a bow and no long a level. I said, "I put this side and the madam I'm the other side." No, every corner. How may your dimma? On Abiriba can no, and if I go soon, if I dimma, you want to go?
Yeah.
If I dimma can go soon, nego to Abiriba. If I can Abiriba, the small London. Nego do bodo. Nego do village mad. Nego do house mad. Uboda maka men. Uboda maka jo. If you never come Abiriba before, try and step your foot here. You will love it because I love it. So, back now, the back of the main building, okay?
Yeah.
So, like I said, Abiriba people, they love compound. They go the back house, they go the back. The back is as good as the front. Because someone only get only if there will be no space. Even this back house will be more than the front, even the whole compound. You want to go? This compound is massive. And how and they doze everywhere. But they doze this side and some back up on this side now. And they go everywhere. They go every corner. They measure your mananya, no hiding place, no dirty, no nyama, no anything. Everywhere is neat. You want to go? They maintain the whole building. And when you look at this thing, this is only how many tanks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Big 3,000 liters. 3,000
liters. Jesus Christ. This is massive. So 3,000 liters for this Jesus. When you are here, you will never lack of water. Just they go to POP. Just because of for water tank, they put POP. Okay. Look at it. The designer according mananya paint here. Only in Abiriba they will do this. They love maintenance culture. That is one thing I give them. They go to 2 lots away, mama. Backyard, maloma, everywhere, mama. Front, maloma. Away flower, say mong. Everywhere the obodo Igbo. Everywhere obodo Igbo. So that feeling of obodo Igbo going in whatever. Huh? Car park. You want to go?
The main building, the inside.
Okay, so the ground parking here, this is private parking, and this is just normal parking. And this, you can use it as a garden.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Garden. And I think this is J house.
Yeah.
Wow. I love this place, man. Flower is, I'm getting motivated. I'm getting inspired. So flower is a thing of when you are building a house, you should make provisions to where you will, put flowers, arrange your flowers, and look it make to look nice. I mean, it's a good picture. So, yeah. Okay, gates are open.
Yeah.
Type go to Nero. Take over from Nero because Namaka.
Wait.
Okay. This is beautiful, man. So, here I can Abiriba. Eba can Abiriba. Obodo ife na-eme, obodo nwere ife, obodo nwere ego and ha dey eme mkpọtụ. You want to go? They don't make noise and they have everything. They good. No flower. No those with those be your mama. They go even I mark everything eba. Those we ma screening. I'm more fan akpon. Ke ma bi ko around me for. I'm ma screening or marble. Guys, another massive building in the village called Abiriba. This is Abiriba Jare Ugozi. What I go? Just look at building. Look at the standard. Look at the mighty house somebody put up in his town. When we talk about Abiriba, you guys will think we are joking. This is one of the houses we showed you guys last time, but we weren't able to show you guys. But today, here it is. Just look at it. Just look at the structure. Just look at the model. Just look at the Jesus Christ. This is massive. This is massive. Abiriba people will build a house that wherever they are, they will come home
and still enjoy that the same thing they enjoy in abroad. That is what they are talking about. Abraa people have the culture of coming home. They can never stay abroad. Whatever they enjoy in abroad, they will put it up here. They don't have light in this Abiriba, the whole town. But when you come here in the night, during night, it will be like afternoon. Because of what? They don't have light, they give themselves light, which is solar. Solar is everywhere. Abiriba is beautiful, man. And this house belongs to the son of this town. And most of them live abroad. But they must put up a befitting houses. Almost all the houses along this surrounding. Come outside, let's check out this building. Come outside. Come outside. Just come outside. When we tell you that this is GRA in Abiriba, you guys will just look at the beauty of the town. All these houses you are seeing, almost 90% of them, the owners live abroad. But they must put up something that merits their name. They will put up something, you know, I don't even know how. Because the kind of beauty they are building here, they are not home, but they put up something that when you come, you might say, wow. They will enjoy that the same thing they are enjoying abroad. That's why they must come home every year. Some of them even come monthly to their homes. You want to go? Just come see building, man. Come see building. This is massive. I swear, Abiriba, this is Jerry in Abiriba. Ugozi. You want to go? If you don't have house here in Abiriba, you never start. Let's go.
This house is still under construction, but it's looking beautiful already. One thing you should know about Abiriba is that it's on top of mountain, just like this building. When you look at this building very well, you will notice that it's on top of mountain. You should, like, when you look at, you know the amount of money these people spend on building houses. Most of these houses is worth billions of naira, because for you to build on top of mountain, you should know what it is.